Chapter 8: Utilizing LinkedIn Analytics for Data-Driven Insights. LinkedIn provides a robust analytics platform that offers valuable insights into the performance of your profile, content, and engagement. In Chapter 8, we will explore how to effectively utilize LinkedIn Analytics to gain data-driven insights and optimize your LinkedIn marketing efforts. By understanding the key metrics, tracking your performance, and leveraging the analytics features, you can make informed decisions to enhance your presence on the platform and achieve your marketing goals. Key metrics to track. Before diving into LinkedIn Analytics, it's important to understand the key metrics that provide insights into your performance. Here are some metrics to track. A. Profile views. Measure the number of times your profile has been viewed to understand your visibility and reach. B. Post impressions. Track the number of times your posts have been displayed to gain insights into their reach and potential impact. C. Engagement rate. Calculate the percentage of people who engaged with your content, likes, comments, shares, compared to the number of impressions to evaluate the effectiveness of your content. D. Follower growth. Monitor the growth of your followers over time to understand the impact of your content and engagement strategies. E. Click-through rate. CTR. Measure the percentage of people who clicked on a link or CTA in your posts or ads to assess their effectiveness in driving traffic. Accessing LinkedIn Analytics. LinkedIn Analytics can be accessed through the My Network tab on your LinkedIn homepage. Click on Connections and then select Analytics to access the Analytics dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your profile, content, and audience metrics, allowing you to gain a comprehensive understanding of your LinkedIn performance. Analyzing profile metrics. The Profile Metrics section in LinkedIn Analytics provides valuable insights into your profile's visibility and impact. Monitor metrics such as profile views, search appearances, and connections to understand how your profile is performing. Identify trends and patterns to optimize your profile and increase your visibility among your target audience. Regularly update your profile with relevant information, keywords, and engaging content to improve your profile metrics. Tracking content performance. LinkedIn Analytics offers insights into the performance of your content, helping you understand what resonates with your audience and drives engagement. Analyze metrics such as post impressions, engagement rate, clicks, and shares to identify your top-performing content. Evaluate the topics, formats, and strategies that generate the highest engagement and replicate those in future content creation. Experiment with different types of content, such as articles, videos, or infographics, and track their performance to refine your content strategy. Understanding audience insights. Audience insights provide valuable information about your LinkedIn followers, helping you tailor your content and engagement strategies. LinkedIn Analytics offers demographic data such as location, industry, job titles, and seniority of your followers. Use these insights to understand your target audience better and create content that addresses their needs and interests. Adapt your messaging, tone, and content formats to resonate with your specific audience segments. Tracking ad performance. If you are running LinkedIn ads, the Analytics dashboard provides data on ad performance, including impressions, clicks, and conversion rates. Monitor these metrics to assess the effectiveness of your ads and make data-driven optimizations. Test different ad formats, targeting options, and messaging variations to find the best performing combinations. Regularly review your ad analytics to refine your ad strategy and maximize your return on investment. Using insights for optimization. LinkedIn Analytics empowers you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your LinkedIn marketing efforts. Use the insights gathered from profile metrics, content performance, audience data, and ad analytics to refine your strategy. Identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement, and adjust your content, engagement, and targeting strategies accordingly. Regularly track your metrics, set goals, and measure your progress to continually improve your performance on LinkedIn. By leveraging LinkedIn Analytics effectively, you can gain valuable insights into your profile, content, audience, and ad performance. These insights enable you to optimize your LinkedIn marketing strategy, improve engagement, and achieve your marketing objectives on the platform.